The benefits of using the drone are very simple. It's speed, it's safety, and it's the cost. My name is Filip Schmidt. I work for VZU in Pilsen. In my department, we focus on delivering robotic and drone inspections for power generation and heating plants. Today we are doing a UT inspection of a boiler. We were at Plzeňská teplárenska, which is a heating plant for the city of Pilsen. If the plant wants to do this traditionally, they need to build the scaffolding. So they need to hire a company which does this scaffolding, which takes time. And then there is the actual inspection. For a boiler, it can take about days to weeks to build scaffolding. There definitely is a benefit of using scaffolding. For the point of view of the inspection, you can have basically the very similar data, but when having the scaffolding, you can do the repairs, which you cannot when you don't have the scaffolding. And the thing is that if you know precisely where to build the scaffolding, it can minimize your cost when doing the maintenance, because you build only some of the scope of the scaffolding. You don't need to build scaffolding all around the combustion chamber. In terms of safety, the drone helps in a way that there have to be a lot of people building the scaffolding. There are a lot of hazards when doing so. And when we are using the drone, we basically are at a safe place, at a safe distance, and we do the inspection completely remotely.